Everyone is talking about AI agents right now, telling you to build AI businesses or use them for productivity. But in a world of constant tech hype, it is hard to tell what is a fundamental shift, what is just the next big hype. After a deep dive into the research, it's clear that AI agents are legitimate and are here to stay. They are already being integrated into businesses because they offer real opportunities beyond just chatting with a bot. Today, we're going to break down exactly what they are and also what they are not. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Arthi. I work with AI every single day, and I started this channel because AI is moving pretty fast, don't you think? And most of the information out there about AI are either scary or useless. On this channel, we turn confusing AI jargons into stuff you can actually use. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so you can always come back when you feel overwhelmed with AI. To understand an agent, we first have to talk about what it is not. Imagine opening an AI tool and saying, write an essay for me, and then just waiting for whatever it gives you. It could give you a clean written essay that's one shot prompting for you. One prompt goes in, and an answer comes out. No back and forth here. Now, an agentic workflow is very different. It's not a straight line, it's more like a loop. The AI doesn't just answer once and stop, it breaks the task into steps, goes and gathers what it needs, checks its own work, and then improves the answer. Think of it like, the AI asking itself, okay, did this actually solve the problem? And then going back to fix it. That looping back and forth, the way of working back and forth, that's what actually makes something an agent. For example, instead of just writing an essay, an agentic workflow would write an outline, conduct research across various platforms, create a draft, and then iterate based on the feedback that we provide. This iterative process is how an AI revises its own output to get a much better result. We are currently in a transition phase, moving past simple one shot prompting and prompt engineering. Now, we are fully moving into this era of agentic workflows, if you've already not noticed it. The ultimate goal we are heading toward is fully autonomous agents. Think of Jarvis from Iron Man. One important thing to understand is that agents aren't tied to one specific AI model, they are model agnostic. They are more like a framework that can work with many different models all at the same time. Think of an agent as a structure or a character you design. You can plug in different brains, or in this case, models. Like you can use Claude for reasoning, or GPT 5.2, or any open source models like Llama, depending on the specific task you want the agent to accomplish. While we are not fully at the Jarvis level right now, at least right now, the progression is moving significantly fast. So, the defining feature of an agent is that circular iterative process. But how do we actually design these agents to think and act? In the next video, I'm going to teach you a mnemonic to remember the 4 core design patterns of AI agents. It goes by this way: red turtles paint murals. I know it's weird. We'll be diving into reflection, tool use, planning, and multi agent systems. Hit subscribe and let's start building.